gotta put this on here. You hold it. Oops, oh, you gotta take it in there. Set it down. And this back out. Okay. Oh, not clear. You gotta put one in all of them. Here. When you do it, be careful. See, now you gotta take this out. So you gotta let the egg roll off it. Okay? Hold it up. Hold it the right way, hon. You can't hold it like that. Hold it like this. There. Hold tight onto it. Put it in this one. That's good. There. That's good. Now hold tight. And put another one. Be careful. Put it in this one. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to be careful. Hold on to it tight.
This one?
Yeah. Ooh, don't drop them too hard. They'll break. Hold on. Whoops, hold tight. Put it in this one. Okay. And let them set a few minutes. Let's see what color this one's getting to be. Ooh, funny.
See what that one is giving that big. Hey, it's getting really
You
blue.
want to take that one out?
Yeah.
Now watch. See, what you have to do is you then put them in like that so that they can... Okay, let's see with the green one. How about I'll take them out and then I'll let you put them in for me, okay?
Again?
Yeah, because we got lots to do.
Oh. Yeah.
Guess we'll take this. It's a little funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah. That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. That one's pretty too, Mom.
Yes. Okay, now you take that. Mommy's going to give you the eggs, and you put the eggs on there. Be real careful and set them down. Set them down in the glasses. That's good.
Okay, get it out.
Well, we might as well get it done now while we're doing it, instead of making a mess twice.
Wait, I'm all
Like
messed.
that?
I'm all messed up, Dad. Okay, we don't have any more eggs to do anymore. But just tell me in a shoulder.
No, wait.
See what them turn out.
You think they're dark enough? Oh, that says Nicholas on it.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, it is pretty. Let's see. That one's not very dark yet. Leave that one.
Yeah.
That one's pretty. Pretty green one.
You want an area?
No, just the purple one. Let that one set a few minutes.
What's that other egg you said? Dad.
Wait a few minutes.
Okay.
Oh.
Where's the glitter? I don't see the glitter on the cabinet.
Well, Mommy has to make that up. Now don't play with it.
Oh, that's the ice.
Don't play in there, Nicholas. got now. And you can't squeeze this. You gotta make it roll around like this. Got it? How you did? Oh, pretty good.
It's your turn to my turn.
Mommy, get the bottom of it.
Wait, is
Just
that,
pass it up in there so don't.
is that yours?
I'm helping you because you got it. Not as easy for little boys to do. Ooh, those are pretty, aren't they? Are you ready?
Yeah, you might as well help. You might as well do it by yourself.
You don't want to do it?
I just watch.
Okay, whatever.
Do it in yours. I'm too tired.
You're too tired.
Yeah, I'm too tired. And got to sucker, Mom.
Yeah. What's in there?
Daddy,
What?
is there one more sucker?
Have to eat all your food.
But is there one more? No.
You gonna go to bed early tonight so the Easter Bunny will come to you? What does the Easter Bunny bring you?
Candy. Eggs. It's my son and my mommy and daddy and necklace and that.
You have to get your baskets ready.
Yep, put stuff in it. This is my basket. Oh. How did that get in there? Hey. Hey, you think Hershey's chocolate. Oh. You got the same thing as I got. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not, honey. No. Look, this one's yours. Yeah, what?
Yeah, I'm spinning down and see if she got candy in it.
Let's see if you got candy in it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, go ahead and get it out, Mom. Would you look at them?
Here, you got chocolate things.
What'd you get?
Here you go. Yeah, that's yours. Hey, John got Hershey's Kisses, and I even got a big one.
Yeah. Oh, be careful, honey. Be careful. You drop it off. It will put the other sucker in here.
And here's yours. That's all.
There, how about that? Look at the bunny.
I'm just going to sit more. I'm going to get me up. Because I'm just going to down.
Be careful, what'd you get? Pick it up, hon.
I guess mine will sit now.
There. Just a second. Put the stuff up off the floor now.
I'm going to get dirty. when the I'd rather not eat these ones because they're dirty. They're dirty.
What you got in your hand, Ernest?
Hey, here's one. Did you see that? I found one of them. Hey, that shouldn't be up on the couch. Wow! How'd that do that?
Don't throw them now because they'll break.
Oh no! Oh. One was in a plant.
Goopy bunny rabbit, huh?
I think that's about all.
No, I think he told me there were more. You better look all over like you did for jelly beans. Look all over the place. Well, I don't think he'd put them under there because we'd crush them. Maybe under the couch, but not under the pad. Did you look under the couch and see? So you're looking under the pad.
Oh yeah! Oh,
Ooh, honey, don't hit them together. You'll break them.
I just hear the thunder.
Yeah. Hey, look around. No, let's not.
Where's the other egg? Oh, no, I forgot. I can't fly over there. Where's the other ones? I can't even find them.
Look around. Look all kinds of places. Where else do you think they could be? Look up there.
Ah!
Look up a little higher.
Where?
What time is it?
The trap.
Go help me, Kelly. Go look up the clock again.
Nick, let's look up at the clock.
See if there's an egg?
Look up there. Is there one up there?
Yeah. See, I told you there was one up there.
In your basket.
Oh,
Really raining.
it's
Is
raining
it really
what?
raining out there?
Yeah. So in a thunderstorm.
Is there a lot of rain? Look all over. Is there all kinds of rain out there?
Look down by the garage.
Is it really raining over there?
Look on the porch down by the window.
Mm-hmm.
All over? Can you see it over here too?
Oh, an orange!
Oh, really?
Yeah. I found one.
Okay, put it.
Turn that light on over there, Nicholas.
Turn your light on over there so you can see.
Yeah,
So
there's
you can
another one.
perk up. No, so you can see what you're doing.
Ah! So Easter bunny.
It's a silly bunny, isn't it? Is it raining? Can you say rain out that window?
Where?
Out that one. Is it really raining?
Ah! Yep. I found two more. Now I don't have any more places to put them. I guess I could.
Look. around the TV. Are there any outside the TV anywhere?
Look back here. Still Easter Bunny.
Where's the penny you had?
They're in my car. I mean,
You gotta
no.
put it in your piggy bank.
Huh?
You gotta put it in the piggy bank.
Ah!
You need me to help you get it out?
Yeah.
That's a dumb place for an egg.
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 13, 16. That's a